The following video was filmed in the beginning of November, but I'm just now getting around to editing it and posting it because I'm a big dumb idiot.
We did want to dress like twins, and the neighbors did see us before we left and said, "Oh my God, are you twins?" So, goal achieved. All right, so I printed out our Apple Maps, not to be confused with Apple Maps, except I guess I'm running out of ink, so all the colors look a little bit blended together, and these ones are supposed to be green, but those are Christmas tree farms, and those don't matter because it's fall, it's autumn. We are not in Christmas time yet. Thank you. First, coffee. I know, I didn't get the memo to get a fall-themed cup. This is on me, but
that's fine.
Still works. Ciao. Screw Starbucks. Waiting for pastries.
So we were in the wrong line for like 20 minutes.
We're in the pie line. We are now in the pastry line. Yes, there are two different lines. Favorite color is October. It's November, Scotty.
Shut up. What a style icon.
I think there's something missing at this pumpkin patch. What is missing at this pumpkin patch?
Are the pumpkins in the room with us now?
My dude, can you see? There we go. Not gonna lie, I've probably worn an outfit exactly like this, and she's rocking it.
Which one is your favorite scarecrow?
I think
vote for best dressed.
Vote for best dress.
I like his little suspenders. I think that's cute.
Oh, we've got a matching patch on the hat. So
oh yeah, matching gives you points.
I think
this guy is disqualified because my guy, your pants are down. I actually really love this one.
Yeah.
Wasn't there like a 90s girl that had like a hat like that with the flower?
Yes. And I can't think of it, but I know what you're talking about. Yeah. So she's the winner. She's the best dressed.
Yeah.
Keep calm. It's fall. It's fall in Apple Hill.
He's just standing there, menacingly!
Not a pumpkin in sight, besides the cardboard cutouts.
Advice from what pumpkin? Whom?
What pumpkin?
Whom?
He's dead!
Whom is giving me the advice? Oops.
He's in a pie now.
Oh no. Oh no. And then like a samosa. Oh yeah. Like a cute one and then like a funny one, yeah. So like, oh yeah, like closer like this, yeah. Okay. Yeah, like it.
So small, tiny boy, does not even know ABCs.
I'm like, I have no strength. All right, cheers. One down.
Oh, that is good.
That's good. All right.
Apple Hill, who would have thunk, does apples very well.
I know.
How about them apples?
That is fresh. All right, on to the next stop for some sustenance, and we need to recaffeinate, obviously.
Obviously.
To the next.
Oh my God! Wow!
No. Damn Christmas.
Do you have anything to say about that, Sarah?
Nutcrackers!
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
It is November. It is November. It is literally 11 days. What day is it? Yeah, it is 10 days after Halloween. It is autumn. It is autumn.
Listen, they were putting Christmas stuff out in October,
I know.
so...
They were playing Christmas music at Kohl's in the middle of October, but no. Grandpa's Cellar be popping.
They are. At least there's only one line, so we don't get into the wrong
Yeah,
line.
we're not in the wrong line.
We shan't be wrong again and waste 20 minutes.
Exactly. I'd rather spend 20 minutes in the one line, the correct line.
At least we're in good company. Oh, there'll be apples.
Let's not talk about our fallen brethren.
Almost there. It's too. Oh, good. My phone is in here. I forgot how hard it is to get back up. My knees. Oh my God, I'm like that lady. I'll show you. Oh yeah. That's how I felt in that moment. I was like, but make it fall. Look at this beautiful meadow. Gorgeous darling. Frolicking. But now we gotta go get our coffee before they give it away.
Waited a very, very long time. If they had kiosks, they could have like numbers and then find your number. That's how it should go. But
So we have my coffee flight, or our coffee flight. We got the chai and we got the coffee. We're just waiting on the chai that Sara ordered. Mine came out a lot. Well, it took us an hour to get through the line, and then a half an hour
from
to get the
ordering.
flight. They're very busy, okay?
It's a holiday.
It's a holiday. So yeah, now we just gotta wait on. Then we're gonna taste. Then we're gonna try it.
Yes.
Although I might taking a bite of my pie.
Yes.
Did they forget about you?
It was ready. My thing didn't go off. So they retopped these, meaning they probably had been sitting there and the whipped cream deflated.
Yeah, just like this one. This one deflated already.
So, and this is probably cold, so.
You're stone cold! Ice cold in the center!
We have the chai flight. It was not advertised as a Christmas flight. So I'd like to remind everyone, 'tis fall, 'tis autumn, but chai is a festive fall and holiday beverage, so I can't be too mad.
I think I would like to try this caramel one.
I honestly bite, but now I've forgotten all the flavors. Also,
Yeah, me
is
too.
this edible?
I don't know, that looks like paper.
I hope it's edible. This looks like the classic one, so let's go play with it.
Oh, yes.
Cheers.
Yes. That'd be funny if we broke it. That would be hilarious.
I don't know how to get to the chai. You gotta kind of get through the whipped cream first, but they're so cute. Ow.
Look at my son!
Maybe that's a good thing that mine deflated.
Oh, I kind of had to, instead of sip it, I sort of had to just like
That's not
suck
bad.
up the flavor.
It's pretty good. It's the cold brew.
Oh, are they all cold?
Mhm.
That's what I was gonna ask. I couldn't tell if they were hot or cold drinks. This is warm.
Oh.
These are all warm. Oh, and my teeny tiny little mason jar.
What is this? Like, that's like candy cane?
I know, I honestly forgot the flavors at this point, but it tastes like chai.
I'm gonna get a close-up shot of the chais. Okay, so classic is the one you just tried.
I think, because it's just got cinnamon on it. Yeah, we have classic, vanilla, pumpkin, and chocolate. Oh, this might be pumpkin. This might be chocolate.
That looks very vanilla-y.
And then, yeah, I don't know. Chocolate, pumpkin, vanilla, and classic chai. But maybe they haven't updated their menu, and this is in fact the winter chai, and not the fall chai.
At this
Good
point,
though.
we do not care.
I know. I do not care. It smells good though.
Okay, so we're trying this chai. I don't know what that is. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, it's so solid.
That's what she said!
They retopped the wit for me.
I sucked it and it...
You sucked. Yeah, I know. I had to do it. I had to suck it up to get to it.
There's gotta be a better way to say that.
It's not like peppermint candy cane. It's like one of those fruity candy canes. It's so weird. Now it's like collapsing into it. This one's my favorite.
I think you have to like eat the whip off and then get to it.
Meadery's in the back. It's time. I'm finally getting Mead, by the way. Okay,
Yeah.
let me just say. Okay, so at the Ren Fair, there was no Mead, and me and Sara are now here to
Make up for that.
make up for that. So it's around back.
To the meadery. Mead
Has been acquired.
We acquired. Cheers. We have the need for mead. It's not as sweet as I'm used to. It's wildflower mead, so it tastes like flowers.
Flowers and ale.
Ale.
I'm curious about the blackberry hard cider.
Yeah.
Wonder how that is. I'm a hoe for blackberry.
I like tart.
I like sweet and tart and...
You're like, I'm a hoe for blackberry. I'm a tart for blackberry.
This isn't that big either. Well, not saying I'm gonna get more. I'm just...
You may or may not be hearing a truck in the background. It's become ambient noise for us.
There's probably like an ambient loop for truckers, for people who like are always on the road.
No, there is, because there's a loop of like people going through the car wash.
Really?
I think so. And like it has like a million views, and it's just like the POV of you in the car wash. Oh my god. There's a video for everything, I swear to God.
But they also have ambient like atmosphere for like fairies, and I saw a TikTok about it, and
You're right.
was it dragons? And you can like put it on while you read.